We are standing in front of Stadium Theater in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. 100 years ago, this fall, a guy named Arthur Darman opened the doors to a building that Woonsocket had never seen anything like. He spent $1 million of his own money on this place. That's not adjusted for inflation. That's $1926. And his whole philosophy was simple. Rich people can go to New York for amusement. He wanted the working man to get just as good right here at home. It opened September 27, 1926, with a Wurlitzer pipe organ and a 12-piece orchestra. 3 shows a day, 7 days a week. Vaudeville acts, newsreels, chorus girls, sing-along. It was the whole thing. The name comes from the seating, stadium style. Every seat in the house had a clean line to the stage. No bad seats. That was intentional. It went on the National Register of Historic Places in 1976. Then it closed in 1985. Sat empty for years. People thought it was gone, but it wasn't. A volunteer restoration effort raised more than $3 million, and in 2001, it reopened for its 75th anniversary. Now here we are at 100 years, 1 century. Same building, same organ, still going. This is Rhode Island's Blackstone River Valley, here at Stadium Theater in Woonsocket.